I've been in your waters. I came for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Wow. I'm talking about wow. Did you guys see that? The Virgin Voyages did not disappoint. The Scarlet Lady is going to be amazing. So in this video, we're going to talk about 7 things you need to know that make this ship super incredible. I'm talking about the best week of your life. Now, a few weeks ago, we were flown out by Virgin Voyages to do an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of their highly anticipated ship in 2020, the Scarlet Lady. This is our first press trip that we've ever been on, and we are incredibly thankful that you guys flew us out. We're excited, and let's just jump right into it. These are going to be 7 things you guys need to be excited about for the best week of your life. Now, if you've never been to a float out ceremony, what this opportunity is it gives everyone, like the press, media, bloggers, a chance to see the ship before it's actually completed. It's super awesome seeing everything in its spots, where it's supposed to go, the blueprints. Everything's not done, but it looks super cool.
Okay, so as we were told yesterday that they did have a ceremony for the workers, and they did the float out part to the point where they actually brought the water in here. So she is floating on water currently. Take a look. Guys, it's very cool. So I'm sad that we missed that part, but I'm sure it was very special for all of the workers to see that for the very first time. They've been working so hard. And during the speech earlier today, they said there were over 2,000 people working on the ship every single day. So that's incredible. Like we said before, it is an active construction site, which is why we have to wear the hard hats. But I think it's going to be very interesting seeing the insides of the ship before it is finished.
Now, when it comes to these events like this, there's no secret that Virgin really knows how to come out and launch huge. Now, when it comes to a float out, there's these certain little check boxes that every cruise line does. If it has this, check. If it has that, check. Make sure it has this, check. But what I really thought was interesting with Virgin is they also added their own unique check boxes to kind of push the envelope a little further, making this experience truly a great one.
So the first thing that we're really excited about and what we think makes Virgin super unique is that the ships are going to be adults only. Not that we don't, enjoy the little kiddos running around,
Yeah.
but I think it's going to be a nice, relaxing adult sanctuary.
Yeah, so look forward to that. The second thing we are very excited about that this cruise ship is inclusive, meaning Wi-Fi is included, dining's included, fitness is included. I'm also really excited about the Crow's Nest, which is going to be their yoga studio located on their upper deck level, which provides yoga, meditation, and stretch-based practices that allow you to find yourself in complete tranquility, which I know you're a huge fan of, Alyssa.
Okay, I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but she said this is where the longest sunbed at sea will be. So that just sounds glorious. Oh, look at this.
All they get there is this.
I am super excited because we made a video a year ago and I feel like they were just reading our minds with everything. So we can finally get on the ship, share our adventures with our friends without having to pay the extra bits and megabits and gigabytes for Wi-Fi, because now it's 2019 and when it sells 2020, the Wi-Fi will be included, which is super awesome.
It is. Another thing to point out is that Obviously, when you look at the prices of these cruises, it might seem a little steep. But just remember, all of these things are included.
All of it.
So it's really comparative.
Mm-hmm.
So another thing that we think makes Virgin very unique are the dining options on board. There won't be a buffet at all, but there are several special restaurants that you can go to, and there's actually no dining times.
Yeah. So what I really liked is that when we spoke with the president, he said, hey, you know what? We don't want to do a buffet. How about we just make all the restaurants specialty dining in a sense? Which blew my mind, because that means if you've ever been to any specialty dining on any ship, usually it's really, really good. So having these options available on the ship, vegan options, the food court, I'm really excited about their outdoor Korean barbecue as well. It's going to be exciting for sure.
All the food.
We were also fortunate enough to see their highly anticipated vegetarian option, Razzle Dazzle. This restaurant is going to be amazing. It's something I'm super pumped about because I can't wait to have a nice vegetarian meal. Another thing that we are super excited about is number 4, which is Virgin Voyages private island, Bimini. Now this island is going to be in the Bahamas, and just like the ship and everything being super extraordinary, this island definitely has its own super perks as well.
So this island is going to be super decked out. It's going to be very relaxing, but also a fun party scene because it's Virgin. They're going to have a DJ, and a night is gonna go crazy. So I think this kind of goes without saying, but the Scarlet Lady has a super modern design. All of the outdoor seating is so awesome. They have a giant hammock in the back of the ship where you can literally lay on it and just look down at other decks.
Yes.
That's really nuts. Even the cabins and how they're laid out, there's the bed transformed.
Now, like we said earlier, a lot of the stuff on the ship is not actually complete yet, but they gave us a virtual reality tour, which I thought was super unique, super awesome. So check out the footage here.
So they gave us virtual reality goggles, and it is so cool. We got to look around the whole cabin, and I'm gonna see if we can get it on video here.
Yeah, you guys should
There's the hammock.
So that's the outside balcony view.
This is Dave looking at.
And here's Dave looking out the balcony.
I think we're done. I'll start. I'll go down.
And here's the inside of the. That is so cool.
That's great.
Yeah.
That is
Anybody else
nice.
want to see? Yeah?
So cool. All the technology. I love it. I need to put my hard hat back on. Give me a second.
Number 6, and I think everyone knew this is going to be on the list, and that's tattoos at sea. Now, we've heard the jokes, we've read the jokes, we've seen everyone talking about tattoos at sea. What about the ship rocking? I think if we can all have dinner on a ship, we can put a roller coaster on a ship, we can put go-karts on a ship, then I think we can do a tattoo parlor on the ship. Now, let us know in the comment section below, what do you think? Would you get a tattoo at sea or not? Because I know I am getting a tattoo at sea as soon as we sail the Scarlet Lady. I already have an idea what I want, what I'm gonna get, and what's really, really unique about these sails that there are going to be certain tattoo artists that are going to be featured on these sailing dates. So some of your favorite artists that you may see on TV may actually be on the ship giving you a tattoo. So look ahead, see who's going to be the featured artist on Squid Ink, and make sure that you get your tattoo.
Yes. So this is going to be the tattoo parlor, Squid Ink. So Griff and Alyssa Paradise Crew Tattoos coming soon. 2020.
Yeah. Cruise left.
No, that's backwards.
And of course, last but certainly not least,
Never not the least.
VIP rockstar treatment. So they have these suites that are designed to make you feel like a rock star. Obviously, Virgin Records is a big deal. So in your suite, you'll have guitars, you'll have your albums. You can even request a rider. And if you don't know what that is, it's essentially what the celebrities use in their dressing rooms.
And if you're a big fan of Virgin and you follow Richard Branson, you know he's no stranger to dancing on tables. So inside of these rockstar suites, you will see a table with steps allowing you to get on top of this table and dance the night away with all your friends. So it doesn't come at a cheap ticket, as it can ring you up for $30,000 for the week.
Who wants to go halvesies?
Other stuff that I thought was really, really unique to these Rockstar suites were just outdoor showers and outdoor hot tubs, which I find just really pushing the envelope a little bit when it comes to Virgin. So.
Now we hope you are as excited about sailing on the Scarlet Lady as we are. So go on over to virginvoyages.com and book your sailing now.
So yeah, if you want more information about Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, there's links below in our description box that you can click and do your own research. But I'm super excited, she's super excited. Guys, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.